Most people think a steak is just steak. But what if I told you the way it's cooked can completely change everything? And one style? It barely even cooks the meat at all. Let's start with something most people choose, medium well. Sounds safe, right? But here's the problem. At around 150 degrees, most of the moisture is already gone, which means it's drier, tougher, and less flavorful. It's basically the compromise that satisfies nobody. Now this one is wild, Pittsburgh style, also called black and blue. Burnt on the outside, completely raw on the inside. Sounds crazy? It gets better. This came from steelworkers cooking meat on metal hot enough to carbonize it instantly. And to do this properly today, you need temperatures over 700 degrees. Most grills can't even reach that. Now let's talk about something premium, dry-aged steak. This isn't just cooking, it's controlled decomposition. Yes, decomposition. Over weeks, enzymes break down the meat, making it more tender and way more flavorful. But here's the catch. A lot of the meat gets trimmed away. That's why it costs 2 to 3 times more. Now this one is about experience, salt crust. The entire steak is sealed inside a shell of salt. Sounds like it would be salty, right? It's not. The salt traps heat, cooks the meat evenly, and creates a dramatic reveal when cracked open. And honestly, that reveal is half the reason people order it. Now we step into luxury, wagyu A5. This is the highest grade of beef in the world. And it doesn't even look like normal steak. It's almost white because of the intense marbling. And here's the crazy part. It melts at body temperature, meaning it starts dissolving the moment it touches your tongue. Now let's go outdoors. Campfire steak. This is something no kitchen can fully replicate. Why? Because real fire creates uneven heat and smoke that penetrates the meat. And some people take it even further by placing the steak directly on hot coals. Yes, directly. Now here's what separates pros from beginners. Butter basting. This is what restaurants do, that most people don't. Hot pan, add butter, garlic, herbs, then continuously spoon it over the steak. Simple? Not really. Because timing is everything. Do it wrong, and you burn everything. Now we go extreme, blue rare. This is barely cooked. The outside is seared, but the inside? Completely raw and cold. Less than 2 minutes total cooking time. And most restaurants? They'll do it, but they won't recommend it. Finally, rare steak. This is where many steak lovers draw the line. Seared outside, warm red center, maximum flavor. Anything beyond this, and you start losing what makes steak, steak. So next time you order a steak, remember this. It's not just about the cut. It's about how far you're willing to go.